Have you ever made a triangle length that you tried to find, but a year to find it angles, it was too long to wait? Let me tell you a story of my special triangles. I was solving this triangle for 369 Nation. The way that I found it was because the angle surrounded by 90. It had 90 degree and a short 30 length. I just finished the test using the Pythagorean theorem. I was looking for a hinge theorem met Uncle Chet.
I whispered in her ear, come to the math booth so I can ask you some theorems to see if you can find my side length. I asked its name, it said Pythagorean triple. She had 9, 10 legs and undefined hypotenuse. I took a couple reasonings to my conclusion. I said, how do you like simplifying rattles? She said, I think they are rad.
I started throwing inequalities, she started throwing answers back. But when I identified the conjuncture, she acted kinda strange. Then when I asked, did you assume the opposite of the conclusion, she said, I can only guess. Come on, you gotta conclude. The original conjuncture is true.
You got what I need. But you say you're just a triangle, and you say you're 369. Oh baby, you got what I need. But you say you're 369, but you're actually a 449. Oh baby, you got what I need. And you say you're just a triangle, but you need 3 angles for that. Oh baby!
So I took its side angles from it at the start. I thought just having a triangle couldn't be no crap, because I have theorems and that's a fact, like Pythagorean triple, hinge theorem, and special right triangles. Forget about that, let's go into the triple. It's all about side lengths and how they match up. So we started talking about the angles, spending a lot of time since we built our triangle relationship. How it's gonna be in the future we was planning. Everything sounded so sharp and triangular. I had no idea I was in for a triangular treat.
After this was established, everything was special. The tour was over and it went back to school. I called every day to see how it was doing. Every time I called, it seemed something was brewing. I called it and a square picked up. Then I called again. I said, yo, what was that? Oh, he's just a square. Don't give me that. Don't ever give me that. Just solve this. You got what I need. But you say you're just a triangle, and you say you're 369. Oh baby, you got what I need. But you say you're 369, but you're actually a 449. Oh baby, you got what I need. And you say you're just a triangle, but you need 3 angles for that. Oh baby! So I came to her legs on a surprise visit to see if I could get a radical 3. She already had 2 lengths. I knew I could get the 3rd. I went to the office and said, where's Miss Allheim's room? This guy made me fill out a visitor's form. He told me where it was and I was on my way to see my math teacher. I was happy to say I arrived in front of the room.
Yo, could you explain some theorems, please? They showed me the Pythagorean theorem. I didn't know I was in for such an event. So I walked up for Miss Alheim and said, I'm going to the menu. Be right back. Oh, snap. Look what I found. Mr. Menu is teaching about squares. So please listen to the message that I say. Don't ever talk to a teacher that teaches squares. Go, right now.
Cameras steal my soul.
Go, you got it. Oh, hit it. Draw the right angle sign in on there when you're done. And write Pythagorean triple above the triangle in big letters. Just guess out your spelling. You're good, just keep going.
No, you gotta hit it.
Dance, just dance.
No!
So!
Stop!
Yeah, go. Go.
I'm singing.
No, you have to actually look. Draw a triangle.
Do this, Shane. Stop, don't even try. Oh!
Fight!
Watch this. No, I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna draw it.
I know what you're doing. I want to draw it. I'm
You
gonna
need to
draw
go
it.
to a temple theater. But they haven't recently.
Throw them. Now throw them at each other.
luck.
2, 3.
You got what I need.